Cool. Hey, what's going on, guys? Garden Shed here, and welcome. So today is, well, the first video in the Wales trip. And I'm currently on the Shropshire border. Katie's run so well this far. Now we're off the A5. I basically did M6, M54, A5. Just pulled off the A5, so now we are on B roads the whole way to Bala. And along the B roads is the road that made me want to learn to ride a motorbike. So it seemed only fair that we go that way. But as I was coming down the A5, down a hill to this roundabout, it looked as if it was going to rain. So I put the waterproof cover on the Jivvy. Yeah, it's meant to be raining in Wales, so that's not going to be interesting. Well, that will be interesting, rather. I don't know what wind noise is like. Wind noise seems fairly bad to me. I think it's the Jivvy's airflow redirecting it at my helmet, which isn't great. But hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'll try to keep the speed down. Well, I will keep the speed down because it's roads I don't know. And the last thing we want to do is go off the edge of a 40-foot cliff. Because we are heading somewhere over near that big hill, where all the rain clouds are, basically. Really looking forward to this. Really looking forward to this. And this is why we're being careful. We don't know what the road surfaces are like. We don't know the roads. And I got a lot of weight on here. I did have, well, I tried to pack my Krieger saddle bag. I've only ever used it when I haven't been using my backpack, and it turns out the amount of kit I had, I couldn't get both on, so I had to choose, and I figured the backpack was slightly better, because if I need to go to the shops or whatever, I can get some self-cated. I don't have to travel with a deflated saddle bag. Something. By the way, I will pronounce every single Welsh name wrongly, apart from Bala. I'm sure of it. It's without a doubt it's going to happen, so I'm going to apologise in advance if you're Welsh. I can't speak Welsh. I don't pretend to speak Welsh. So I'm here in Wales for 3 days, and I'll try and make a video, turn each day into a video, depending on what I have to film. And yeah, I'm going to forget, okay? Or not pronounce it, so just so you're aware. Wish this Audi would get off my fucking tail. Don't move, don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out. Cool. Is he going to go for it? No. See, this is what happens. You have people tailgating you. There's a nice long bit of straight road, and they don't overtake. So why tailgate me if you're not going to overtake me? No point. Ow. Should have done my bike safe. But look at this. Oh my days. It's absolutely beautiful. Now we're going up between this hill and that hill, there, up through the mountain bit. That's going to be fun. Sheeps, lots of Welsh sheeps. Don't know why they don't cut the tails of sheep in Wales. Like British, well, English farmers tend to dock the tails of sheep by putting a plastic ring on, so when they're a lamb, so the tail falls off. But Welsh farmers don't, and I don't know why. And no inappropriate comments, please, about it gives them something to hold on to. Oh wow, this would be so much better if it wasn't raining. I mean, it's not raining heavily, it's just raining. But you don't come to Wales for the sunshine. And I didn't actually pack leathers because, well, it's Wales. I'm just in Textiles. Even my gearbox are good working out. You don't want to go through one of these hedges. That's fine, mate, you go ahead. He just scared himself. Was it 12 miles to Bala? So that's about 20 minutes? No, it's Welsh roads. It's a lot longer. A lot longer. $13 miles to Bala, sorry, my mistake. But I was talking to my friend, I was like, oh, is your kit waterproof? He went, no, not really, it's got sort of all Oxford stuff. It was like, well, there's really no good reason for riding in rain. Well, there is, because you go on a nice day to somewhere like Wales to enjoy the roads, and it turns out to piss it down. You don't just turn home and go back, do you? You soldier on. I mean, it's meant to be lovely at home over the weekend. I think it's just meant to be cloudy in Wales. Sorry, I was trying to clean my camera there, but you can see this road we're driving along now. It's unbelievable. You would not want to go off the edge of this. That would be death if you did that. Jesus Christ, I get vertigo just looking at it. Oh yeah, I suppose you guys don't know I'm scared of heights. Oh, that looks less deadly up here. So many sheep, it's unbelievable. I don't go in the road. I am worried I'm going to come around a corner and there's just going to be a sheep in the middle of the road. That is actually a legitimate concern. And I've never had that before. I wonder if the one farmer owns all of this land. That's just stunning, absolutely stunning. That's another sheep. Camper vans. Oh. Oh, this is Denbighshire. That's where I go. There. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I feel the wind's pushing me. Gravel, sheep. Cows. Now apparently somewhere there's a bison farm. So I'm not talking very well because, well, I keep forgetting to talk because these roads. Concentrated so hard on the road and what's there and what's not there. So second day, well today's today, we were meant to be doing the horseshoe pass today, but because of my little packing mishap, we're no longer doing that. I think we'll try to squeeze that in on Wednesday or something.